to Haley's Nature Walk. I'm at Huntley Meadows. Just got here. Oh, that's a wood duck, I think. Oh, that's the predated woodpecker that I'm looking at. Ooh, it's like 50 degrees out here. Let's see what I can get today. It's a little bit of a, it's supposed to be clear. It looks a little bit overcast right now, so hopefully it gets a little bit brighter. It's 7 a.m. now. I got here a little bit before 7, so I'm just gonna find my spot and basically kind of camp and see what I see. Do a little bit of observation. Wasn't that many cars parked out yet. My first time getting here super early. Water levels are pretty high up as well. Whoop. Some geese flying. We did get some rain yesterday, so that's why I'm sure you guys can tell. Like, look at the water level. It's like really, it was a lot higher than it is now than it was last week I was here. So, oh, that might affect our chances of, might even see some beaver activity. I don't know. We're just gonna keep walking and get to a nice spot. I even see different birds too, honestly. But yeah, the water levels are definitely higher now. Yeah, there's a few people out here. Terrain looks different. Yeah, I guess we'll just play it out, guys. See how everything plays out. You know, the geese are having a good time. A lot of Red-Winged Blackbirds. I'm gonna keep an eye on that beaver too, because you know that's my thing as well. Hopefully I'll hear or see a beaver. I'm gonna go to my usual spot, see what I see. See a little turtle shell. Let's go to a more secluded spot. Look at this spot, man. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? The sky is like, it's overcast. It's supposed to be clear out here, but it might be just some morning clouds or something. I don't know. I like the lighting though. It's not too bad though. It's not too intense. Looking for beavers as well. Since the water levels are higher, you might see some beaver activity. But yeah, since I don't really see much of nothing right now, I guess I'm in a camp somewhere. I love this, the water level. It's really high. Look at all this. Check my binoculars online. See all that? Look how high the water is, man. It's like super high right now. I feel like I want to get some pictures of this. Super high. So, I can get some landscapes. This is nice. The last time I took pictures, it's a lot of bird poop too though. let me sit right here. Probably not gonna camp here, but I just want to get some pictures. But yeah, I'm liking this view right now, guys. So it looks really nice. Let me get some pictures of the landscape with the phone, and then I'll set up camp probably like a few meters over there and kind of go from there. All right, I'll get back to you guys later. Got some like scenery shots. Look at this water, man. You see all that? It's like maybe this side might be better. Like, look how high this water is. I think last time you guys didn't see the water level that high. It wasn't like that high up. It was like a lot lower. I see like a couple inches lower. But like I said, I think that might change the game a little bit, because now the animals, the kind of specific animals you're looking for, they might have more of an advantage, like in terms of the beaver. I saw something fly over there. I don't know what that is. So I'm always seeing something. Let me see if I can put you guys down, or leave you like this, but oh, this thing about to you guys can see me. You guys see me in action, maybe, I don't know. But I just want to take off my stuff real quick so I have some more. Oh, the osprey's coming. That's what I was waiting for too. She's coming right over here. I'm not even ready, guys. Some bird chasing it now, so yeah, I wasn't ready, guys. What I'm gonna have to do is, for me to get ready, I have a feeling these ospreys are gonna be busy, so I'm gonna have to get my lens ready, or the settings, I should say. Because right now the lighting isn't the best. I started to see guys getting their lens ready already. I snapped a couple pictures, but I'm still I'm still trying to get this thing ready. Yeah, we're gonna keep our eye out for this osprey, man. Oh. Honestly, I think I might need to go over there. But he does, like, he goes everywhere. Let me see, is a male or a female? Oh, it's a male. Okay, it's a male. He's always hunting. We gotta keep our eye on it. I'm trying to get my settings right too, though. That's the thing. Already, you guys see me in action. Looks like it's circling. It's looking for some fish right now. So. I guess I came at a good time, yeah. I definitely want to capture myself in action. I'm also trying to get myself together too, so. He's gone now. Another thing too. I hear the osprey. Oh wow. And what I'm gonna do is get this tripod ready. It's like just place it somewhere so I'm gonna have to always have it on me. Something like this. So I can always have it. So guys, yes. You see? So I'm always ready. Then I can honestly have this if I want on my neck. So yeah. So this is like my setup here, guys. I got my backpack, my tripod camera, all that stuff. So this is camp. I'm trying to get a good spot where I can place this so you guys can see me. If I need to get ready, I can just take this off and just get ready. All right, let me go ahead and pause it though. But if I do see something, I'll let you know. I don't want to waste my battery life either. All right, I'll catch you guys there. As I reposition myself now, put this right here so you guys can see, I guess, full body. Let me put this right here. All right, it's leaving now, but it's gonna come back soon. Yeah. This spot right here is really nice. Oh. There's Red-Winged Blackbirds, there's ospreys. So a lot of people are just lining up right here. Right, I'm trying to have my own real estate, so I have some space. Yeah, these guys are definitely coming. Alright, circling again. That guy's smart. He got a tripod just like me. He's just shooting like that. I'm crouching down because I'm not just photographing ospreys. I'm also, there's other birds I'm looking for as well. But I'm trying to be more versatile. Even, like I said, the beavers too. Like, if I see a beaver, I'm definitely gonna get on it. It's definitely a waiting game, that's for sure. You guys might see me in action, you might not, I don't know. Or you have seen a little bit of me in action, actually. You have seen me in action, so. Yeah. Look like it's it's circling right now. You always gotta keep your eye on this osprey, man. It's doing a lot. I don't know how his vision can pierce through the murky water like that, because how do you spot the fish so well? Because I don't see any fish, I know there's fish in here because I see them splashing, but I just don't know how. The vision must be impeccable. But this is bird watching and bird photography, man. You see, well, I'm picky about my clear day. I like clear days. It's not clear. It's overcast. I'm a little bit rusty right now. I'm not at my best optimal level, but that's okay. I just gotta warm up. Look like the osprey's giving me more opportunities to practice. Okay, look like it's leaving. You can probably pause it here, but yeah, I mean, that is nature and wild photography. You're gonna mess up, but then you're gonna succeed all at the same time. But when I do get something, I'm gonna make sure I turn this thing on so you guys can see the action. All right, see you guys later. Welcome back. Looks like these guys are coming. Wait till he gets a little closer. Okay, this one is already over here, but there's another one over there. That one's too high up though. Yeah, that one's too high up. Keep an eye on that one over there too. That one is perching. That chirping sound is the osprey. Hear that frog, guys? See, I'm just sitting right here. They just come right to me. That's the main reason why I'm kind of positioning here. Because, like I said, I like getting the Red-Winged Blackbirds. But I think it's just his territory. That's why he keeps coming back. I wonder if that might be the boundary of his territory. So the Red-Winged Blackbirds will have multiple females they have in their territory, so they mate with all of them. Figure how many they can have, but that's why I see females too. They fly over here as well. That might be probably one of those females I was noticed. And there's some that are over here. I think this broadwalk might kind of establish the boundaries of the territory, so it's interesting. Snapped a few photos of it. There's another one right there. Yeah, the best thing to do is to sit and wait in one spot. The guy that was just over there, he moved over there to, he got his camera on the tripod, he just sitting down and he was waiting. I don't really like that spot over there, but he's mostly focusing on ospreys. I'm focusing on different birds. Not just birds, also the beaver, if it pops up anywhere. I have not seen any sign of beaver activity at all. Like I said, the time that I saw it, it was abnormal behavior. So, yeah. It is a little bit chilly still. I feel like it's still in the 50s right now, so. I think the osprey still is perching over there, but I have not seen it come out. So I don't know what's going on. It's probably just chilling. Oh my God, there's a little turtle peeping his head out the water. But it's too close because this lens, it zooms out pretty fast, or it just dives down. It was so cute though, just keeping his head out looking at me, then it just went right back below. There's a lot of painted turtles that live in this water. There's snapping turtles in here as well. Next, I hear a lot of frogs. A lot of common crackles flying around. I guess this park never is a dull moment. There's always something going on out here. It's a haven for animals and bird watchers and people who love nature and animals. It's nice. I think this is a good height. Of course, if it was dry, I would be sitting cross-legged right now, but it's too wet to be sitting down on this boardwalk like that. See, some guys are, they might be leaving. They might be leaving soon too. It's like a couple hours out here is good enough. You saw a little bit of action, guys. You saw me do a little bit of things, so. I mean, that's kind of the whole point of bringing the phone tripod with me. Well, it's a selfie stick and a tripod, so it's versatile like me, so I like to capture things as they happen. I don't see nothing right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and pause it for right now. If I do see something, I would turn it back on. Alright guys,